Viva Señor San Miguel. Happy Fiesta. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Fiesta Viva Señor San Miguel. It's a Monday morning, September 29, Fiesta celebration sa aming lugar. Viva Señor San Miguel. Viva Señor San Miguel. Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ito na naman ang biyahirang madam. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ingat lagi tayo ngayon sa iba't ibang bansa. Ingat lagi. Good morning. Happy Fiesta Señor San Miguel. Good morning. May binili kami ngayon dito sa market. Kulang ang Ricardos. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Bihirang Madam. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Ingat tayo lagi ngayon, guys. Ayan, maraming nag-ano dito ngayon. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good